Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you will learn how to use the Revolve features, Chamfer, Fillet, Extrude, and Mirror. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we'll create, we'll make a line here with 85 millimeters and create this sketch. We have the dimensions here, okay? The chamfer here and the fillet here we'll make later, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select a line, make a line here with 85 millimeters and create another line here with 20 millimeters, 30 millimeters here. Okay, made it this. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 55 and the distance between these two lines here is 12.5 millimeters. Okay, we made this. Now finish the sketch. Go to Revolve, select this profile, the axis, select this line here, operation new body, press OK. Now let's create this chamfer here with 3 millimeters. So go to modify and select the chamfer and select this edge here, 3 millimeters, and press OK. We made this, OK. Now we will create this rectangle here. So this rectangle, we need to extrude this 10 millimeters, okay? And in this side here, 52 millimeters, the distance here, 52. And in the other side is 60 millimeters, okay? So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select this face here. Select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. The distance here is 60 millimeters by 52 and press OK. Go to Extrude, select this profile. Extrude this 10 millimeters, okay? Operation join, press OK. We made this. Now we will create this sketch here. Okay, we have all the dimensions here. And we need to extrude this 10 millimeters. We will select this face here to make the sketch, okay? So we'll make this extrusion here. So go to create a sketch, select this face, and go to create, select the project included, project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here, press OK. Now select the line, click at this point, make a line here with 55 millimeters, and create an arc here, and another line here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay. The radius here 30 millimeters. And select the circle, make a circle here coincident with this point and concentric with this arc with 10 millimeters of diameter. And create another circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two circles is 30 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay. We made this. Now finish the sketch and go to Extrude, select this profile. Extrude this minus 10 millimeters. Okay, operation join. Now go to create and select the mirror. And the object type, select the features. The object, select this extrusion here. And the mirror plane, select the right plane. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now press letter A in the keyboard. We'll make this fillet with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to modify, select the fillet, Select this edge here, 5 millimeters, and press OK. Now press letter A in the keyboard. We'll paint this. These two faces here will be red. So that's it. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.